Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary green sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A backyard garden with a waterfall is more than just a landscaping choice. It is the intentional creation of a personal sanctuary that blends the raw beauty of nature with home architecture. At its core, it represents a living landscape where the element of movement, provided by the falling water, brings energy and life to a static space. It symbolizes a retreat from the digital and fast-paced world, providing a focal point that encourages mindfulness and a deeper connection to the environment. Whether it is a grand, multi-tiered stone structure or a simple modern spillway, a waterfall acts as the heart of the garden, orchestrating the atmosphere of the entire outdoor living area. The benefits of incorporating a waterfall into your garden extend far beyond mere aesthetics. One of the most significant advantages is the soundscape it creates. The gentle babbling of water provides natural white noise that masks unwanted sounds from neighbors or nearby traffic, creating a private bubble of peace. Environmentally, waterfalls help aerate the water in ponds, keeping it healthy for fish and birds, and they naturally cool the surrounding air through evaporation during hot summer days. Furthermore, the presence of moving water is known to release negative ions, which are scientifically linked to reduced stress levels and improved mood, making your backyard a powerful tool for mental health and wellness. To make your backyard garden with waterfalls look truly beautiful, you must focus on the concept of seamless integration. This means using materials that complement the existing architecture of your home, while mimicking the natural flow of a wild stream. Start by layering different sizes of river rocks and boulders around the base to hide mechanical components and create a realistic look. Lighting is also crucial. Installing submersible LED lights or spotlights can transform the waterfall into a glowing masterpiece at night, highlighting the texture of the water and stones. Don't forget to add seating areas, such as a stone bench or a cozy patio nearby, so you can fully enjoy the view and the sound of your creation. Choosing the right plants is essential to softening the hard edges of the stone and making the waterfall feel like it has been there for decades. For the wet areas directly around the water, moisture-loving plants like ferns, hostas, and Japanese forest grass provide lush, vibrant textures that thrive in the humidity. If you have a pond at the base, aquatic plants like water lilies or lotus flowers add a pop of color and help balance the ecosystem. For the higher shelf areas of the waterfall, trailing plants such as creeping jenny or mosses can grow over the rocks, creating a beautiful green curtain that blends the water feature perfectly into the surrounding forest or lawn. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best backyard garden waterfall ideas to spark your creativity. One, the multi-tiered woodland cascade. This breathtaking design features multiple layers of natural flat stones that allow the water to tumble down in several wide curtains. Surrounded by lush maples and dense greenery, this setup mimics a deep forest stream and is perfect for larger yards that have a natural slope to work with. 2. Modern Zen spout garden. For those who prefer a clean, contemporary look, this idea uses a stacked stone wall with sleek copper spouts. The water falls in precise, narrow streams into a long, minimalist rectangular basin. This architectural approach is perfect for lining a fence or walkway, creating a rhythmic and calming visual. 3. Dark slate stacked falls. This design uses dark, jagged slate rocks to create a more dramatic and moody atmosphere. The dark stones make the white foam of the falling water pop visually. Paired with red leaf Japanese maples and purple slate mulch, it creates a striking color contrast for a cozy garden corner. For a natural boulder tropical spillway, transform your swimming area with a massive rock formation that looks like it was carved by nature. This design features heavy, sun-bleached boulders and palm trees, with water pouring directly into a blue pool. It's an ideal way to bring a permanent resort vibe to your own backyard. 5. Contemporary stainless steel arches. Moving away from traditional stone, this avant-garde design uses polished metal scythes that arch over a large pond. The water flows over the curved metal in a smooth glass-like sheet, creating a stunning visual effect that looks like a piece of modern art in the middle of your lawn. 6. Sleek slate privacy wall waterfall. This modern installation features a wide, thin sheet of water falling from a black slate wall into a swimming pool. Framed by white tiles and tall bamboo for privacy, it blends high-end architectural design with the refreshing utility of a pool feature. 7. Classic Mediterranean stone courtyard. Featuring a rustic stone wall and a traditional spillway, this design feels like a piece of old-world Europe. The water falls into a small, formal rectangular pond, surrounded by a manicured gravel path and a comfortable gazebo, making it a perfect centerpiece for outdoor entertaining. 8. The illuminated night flow lagoon. This idea focuses on the power of light. By hiding warm and cool-toned lights behind the waterfall and under the pool surface, the entire rock formation glows after sunset, turning the backyard into a magical, ethereal space for evening relaxation. 9. Low-profile mossy rock stream. Perfect for a subtle and grounded look, this waterfall is built into a gentle incline and uses moss-covered boulders to create a series of small, bubbling drops. It blends perfectly with the surrounding succulent garden beds, making it look like a natural spring discovered in a hidden corner. 10. Luxury resort bridge and grotto. This grand design features a large, winding pool with a stone bridge crossing over a narrow section. Multiple waterfalls pour from elevated rock formations, including a hidden grotto and a slide, creating a high-end luxury hotel experience for the whole family. Creating a backyard garden with a waterfall is a journey toward building your very own paradise. As we've seen today, whether you choose a modern, sleek design or a rugged, natural look, the addition of moving water completely changes the energy of your home. It's an investment in your property value, but more importantly, it's an investment in your peace of mind and your family's enjoyment of the outdoors. If you felt inspired by these stunning waterfall designs, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of the top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly tours of the world's most beautiful gardens. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.